Hola amigos, welcome to a new episode of SusiMacdonald.com. My name is Laura Torres and I'm with Susi Macdonald, and we are here in this beautiful project in Puerto Morelos. It's an honor to be here with you, and this time we are gonna talking about the financial options for foreign people. So Susi is gonna tell you more about this topic and with very interesting information, and we are here for you.
Thank you, Laura. Hey guys, welcome. Like Laura said, today we'll be discussing financing options for foreigners in Mexico. Why do we want to talk about this? Because you guys are asking. It's probably one of the most popular questions that we have. And we've been looking for somebody that is going to be able to do a great job for you guys. And after praying to the financing gods, we were able to find them. So today we're going to be speaking with a company that is based out of Cancun so that they can go over the different options, the different processes regarding financing, what are the steps, how safe it is, for how long you're gonna be able to do the loans, for how much money, all those questions that you guys asked. So I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you for joining us, and now let's go to the interview.
Hola chicos, I'm here with Dinei Bernal from Fidum Consultores, and we are having a talk about the financing options for foreign people. They are located in Cancun. Why you didn't tell us about what you do, about your company, and a little bit more information about you, please?
Yeah, of course, Laura. Thank you for having us. And well, we are Fidum Consultores, and we are based in Cancun. We are a consulting company, and what we do is to find the best option as a loan or as a mortgage for customers who are looking buy a property here, at the paradise, and we try to get the best option.
Can you tell us a little bit more about where areas are you specialized for, what type of people, the foreign people from America or for abroad or something?
Yeah, of course. Well, actually, as you know, we have a lot of customers who are looking buy land or a property here in the paradise, and what we do is to find the best mortgage for that people who are not living here, who are not have incomes here in Mexico, because as you know, it's not too easy to get this kind of mortgage. Mm-hmm. So what we do is to get the best option as a lenders or as a financial companies, it can be here in Mexico, lenders in other countries. We choose or we apply to the best company. It depends of the profile of the customers. Mm-hmm. So we can help customers who are living in USA, Canada, or even in other parts of the world. It doesn't matter if they are Mexicans or not. Okay. And we don't need to ask for documents or credit report, for example, here in Mexico. We're gonna find the best option with their incomes in their country, and we're gonna use all the documents from their country.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you for the information. This is very interesting. Please stay here.
Hey guys, so now we're going to talk about the technical aspect of financing. I am here with Jessica Carvajal from Fidum Consultores to ask her some questions and clarify all those things that you all want to know. Jessica, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you for your time. Yeah, we are glad to be here.
Well, I'm very happy to have you, and our clients, our people, our viewers are very interested in financing. We want to discuss a little bit about the technical aspect of the process. So typically when somebody reaches out to your company, or if we reach out to you guys, how does that process start?
The first step of this way is to have a conversation with the clients to know about what are they looking for, what are they expecting, if they have an amount that they want to invest in, and after that we can recommend the best financing option for them.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, that's great, because that's what most people, what I have found that is very difficult is that you have other financial institutions that are offering financing, but what I have sometimes issues with is that they're very large, that they don't have the personalized service that you all have, to where it is you who's going to be sitting with them having a conversation. So that makes me super happy to know that that's what's going to happen. Can you tell us a little bit about what a potential client can expect being down payments on a loan for a property here?
Yes, and this is a very important thing, what you have mentioned, because we will be with your client since the first calling we have with them and until the sign of the deeds.
Great.
So we will be accompanying them in the whole process. And what about the characteristics of the loan? We can finance up to the 80% of the property value.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, that's great.
Amazing.
And the term can be up to 20 years.
Those are fantastic terms.
Yes, it will depend of the kind of property they are going to buy and of the client profile. But yes, we have 20 years and 80%.
Great. Okay, so for example, say somebody that is of Mexican descent, that their parents are Mexican, they themselves were born in another country, but maybe they can get the documentation, obviously not a birth certificate, but maybe like the official documents in Mexico. Does that open more doors for them to be able to have different financing here as well?
Yes, they will have the advantage that we will be treated like Mexican and they will need the trust, for example, for buying the property.
Beautiful. Okay, so for example, something as this amazing place that we're sitting in, which is, by the way, one of our favorite developers in the entire area. I love their construction. Like a property like this, they would be able to finance.
Yes, for
through
sure.
you guys, okay.
Yeah.
And does it have to be construction that is already finished, or do you have something that is also available for, say, maybe a pre-sale, something that is being built right now?
We have plans and they're very, very affordable that we can help your customers buying pre-sale properties.
Okay.
That means that they only need to do the down payment that will be paid directly to the seller or to the developer in this case, and the rest will be paid after the property is finished and we have all the documentation from the property.
Oh my God, that is so great. So you guys can do existing construction such as something like this, and you can also work with pre-sales.
That's correct.
So now you really have a lot of options for people here.
Yes, and a great advantage is that these financing are in Mexican pesos, so they will always have the exchange rate as an advantage.
Oh, it's gonna be very beneficial, very competitive.
Yes.
That's great. Let me think, do I have any more questions right now for you guys? You guys are based in Cancun, yes?
Yes, we are in Cancun, but we can attend the customers in the whole country. We specialize here in Riviera Maya,
Of course.
but we can help them in every state of this country.
Right. And tell me a little bit about you, like with you and with Dinei, your business partner. How did you guys decide to start working in this consulting aspect specifically for the Riviera Maya, for Cancun, to be able to, because I'll be bringing you people, that's for sure, but what is a little bit of your professional background?
Okay, so we have worked for more than 10 years in the banking.
Great.
Myself have more experience in the business banking area. Dinei worked a lot of years in real estate also and in banking. So we decided to create Fidum Consultores, trying to help our customers to buy more properties here. And we figured out that the non-Mexican citizens or foreign clients are buying a lot of properties here in Riviera Maya because it's a great destiny and it is growing a lot.
Yes, absolutely.
And they were not being attended as they needed.
You're so right about that.
And a lot of customers don't know that they can finance their properties.
That's That's so true. And I have been looking for you guys. So I've been, like I said, I've been praying to the financing gods, and then you guys appeared, which is great.
And we specialize in this kind of customers.
That's
in
great.
Clients that don't live here in Mexico, don't have income here in Mexico, but want to buy a property here.
And this lending, this process of the mortgaging, it is through financial institutions that are regulated here in Mexico, correct?
Of course, all the financing institutions we work with are regulated and have contracts that are approved by the Mexican law.
Great, amazing. No, that's super good. Well, maybe now I can buy this condo. So
For sure.
You know, maybe for sure. Well, look, I thank you for your time. I'm gonna take a little bit now to show you guys this amazing place. It's portable condos in Puerto Morelos. And like I said, I love this developer. They have another project that I really, really, really like. Highly, highly recommend. And I thank them for allowing us to use this space. So till next time, guys, peace, love, and muchos besitos. See you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.